again, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome here if you're new. This is the, what would it be, second to last video before the official Playlist Live vlog. So this is part 2. There's going to be one more part and that's the vlog itself, duh. If you have missed the first part, that is a Playlist Live survival guide video, so I'll go ahead and put the link in the description and it'll pop up somewhere up here. If you wanted to go watch it, I would really appreciate it. So, as you can see, today I am packing for Playlist Live itself. Playlist Live is this weekend and I am so excited. Before I keep rambling, I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing. So basically, I already have all my makeup in here. This is my travel makeup bag if you didn't know. And what is in here is all of, you can't even see it, all this stuff is in here. And this is like, I don't wear too much makeup as it is. I hardly ever wear makeup at all, but it's playlist, so, and I'm meeting a ton of people, so I'm like, okay, makeup, good for the pictures, cool. So it's literally just foundation, concealer, powder, bronzing stuff, mascara, beauty blender stuff, brushes, just simple makeup necessities. So that is all in here. And then obviously I'm not trying to wear makeup when I'm sleeping, even though I'm probably not going to be sleeping anyway, but just in case, makeup remover wipes. These are important. This is a Publix brand, but it's the same thing, so it's okay. I also have this dry shampoo just in case, because like my hair is very strange. It's fine one day and then it's very, very oily the next. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this, and it smells like coconuts. It's toasted coconut. It smells so good. I love it. And then because I'm straightening my hair, so I'm obviously gonna bring a straightener. And then I use the Garnier, you know what I'm talking about, flat iron protector, I can't read, a straightening mist. And it protects up to 450 degrees and I'm at 410 with this thing. So, I don't know where the cap went. Maybe I should put it in a plastic bag, just in case. I'm probably going to take all this stuff back out, but I'm packing it because I'm going to touch it up, obviously. Because I'm trying to look good all weekend, not just for a day. And obviously, like hygiene stuff like a toothbrush, deodorant, toothpaste, and a hairbrush, which is in my bathroom, but I will grab that too, it's fine. Like I said in my Playlist Live survival guide video, extra batteries, because if you're vlogging like I am, you're probably going to run out of battery, so it would be helpful to have backup just in case. And then perfume, I'm using the Amber Romance perfume from Victoria's Secret. This one is so good. It's really good. Like, I didn't think I was going to like it that much, but it's my favorite aside from Bare Vanilla. For outfits, how do I explain this? I'm pulling an all-nighter this year. And I did the same thing in 2018 and I was dead tired the next day and I was grumpy, but you know what? We have energy drinks. It's fine. So I wanted it to be comfy. So I'm gonna wear this Ghostbusters shirt just like in 2018. I wear the same shirt in 2018, but I'm gonna do it again and I'm gonna wear a pair of shorts with it and I'm gonna wear sandals or something and it's gonna be great. But basically just this Ghostbusters shirt, or what I'll end up doing is Playlist showed all of their merch, or like a sneak peek of their merch for this year. And there's this one shirt with an eagle on it and it's all like black and white gray tie-dye stuff and it's really cool looking. So I'm probably gonna get that on Saturday and wear that instead. But if I don't, Ghostbusters is what I'm wearing. So the outfit I'm wearing to Playlist, like in the morning, Saturday morning, I have it laid out over here. I went to Ross last week and I got some stuff. Well, I got one thing. And it is the shirt that I'm about to show you. It's just this cute little like shirt with the rose on it. I don't even know what it says, so please don't ask. And if it says, I don't think it says anything bad. Ross doesn't sell stuff with bad words on it. So I just got this little thing. I also have a pair of blue jeans that have rips in the knees. So this is what I'm wearing on Saturday with these shoes right here. They were in my back to school shopping haul video. And going home, I'm gonna wear this Friends crop top with the pants I'm wearing right now, which are sweatpants. And I could show you. it's just these sweatpants with like a little stripe on the side. Nothing too fancy, like sweatpants or whatever. But I'm gonna wear these on the way home. Either with these Nike shoes that I really like or slides. I don't know which one. Probably gonna go for the Nike so I look a little bit more like dressed up than lazy. And then my hair is gonna be how it is right now. And then lastly, I also have a pair of sunglasses that I just got from Walmart. Oh look, ring light, hey, what's up? So that's literally like, that's all I'm packing. It's kind of crazy. And then I also have a gift for somebody that I'm bringing with me. It just came in the mail this morning, so it's exciting. I've been texting my group chat about it, and they're like, oh, it's so cute, you know, stuff like that. So if he ends up posting about it, I'll post about it, but like, I don't know, I'm so scared. Like, I want to write a note with it too. I don't know. Oh my gosh. See, this is what happens. This isn't even related to the video. I'm gonna like shut up, but yeah, that's everything I'm packing. And then I also have portable chargers in here, I believe. Let me see. 1 second. Can I even open? It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh my gosh. Got it. Okay, yeah. And then I also have portable chargers, which I mentioned in my other video that you're gonna need these, so I have them in here. I actually need to charge them. So I know this video was kind of messy and all over the place. I don't know how to film packing videos for my life. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out my previous video, which I said at the beginning is a Playlist Live survival guide. And if you have any questions about playlists, go ahead and comment them below, either on this video or the last video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!